Welcome everyone to another video. In this video I'm going to unbox my brand new Ignyte IGN-4 helmet. So without further ado, let's get it out of the box. About the price, I ordered it from Amazon India and it costed me around 3500 Indian rupees. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, so here's the helmet itself. It's both ISI as well as DOT certified. Let me quickly get rid of all the stickers and the tags. Here we go. Let me quickly put this on and see how it feels. Okay, so this is my first time using a D-lock mechanism. It is going to take me a while to get the hang of that. It's quite different from the normal one that I'm used to. But the helmet in itself, it happens to fit my head size just perfectly, and it does feel comfy. It has dual visors. Here's how it looks from the side. Let's quickly talk about the vents. It comes with 3 of them, one in front of the mouth, second one just above the visor, which I missed while recording this video, and third one is above the head. And that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.